Buat bininya Sajad Ukra, laki-laki yang sudah kuceraikan dan susah move on, pakai bilang segala itu bukan suaranya Sajad Ukra. Bagaimana ya? Aduh, kita
You coward! Answer the phone! You can see that I'm calling, and I know you can see that I'm calling. Answer the fucking phone!
Perseteruan antara Nikita Mirzani dan pihak Sajad Ukra semakin memanas. Sebelumnya diketahui Nikita Mirzani mengunggah voice note memperdengarkan suara yang diduga Sajad Ukra. Menanggapi hal tersebut, pihak Sajad Ukra melalui istrinya Medina Moesa membantah bahwa suara tersebut adalah suara Sajad Ukra. Medina Moesa juga meminta agar Nikita Mirzani membuktikan kebenaran berita tersebut.
Your country is so corrupt. All I have to do is pay the police and they will put you in jail. You tell all of them. You tell Fitri. You tell Hotman Paris. You tell everybody that's trying to help her. All the money in the world is not going to help her. Allah will crush you all in 1 second. All the lies, all the pain. Hotman Paris, the pimp, talking about children. He's an abuser of children.
Nikita Mirzani pun menanggapi pemberitaan soal bantahan dari istri Sajad Ukra tersebut.
Buat bininya Sajad Ukra, laki-laki yang sudah kuceraikan dan susah move on, pakai bilang segala itu bukan suaranya Sajad Ukra. Bagaimana ya? Aduh, kita ketemu di kantor polisi aja yuk untuk mendengarkan bersama-sama. Lu sendiri yang udah posting-posting itu chatnya. Ada nama Badi, ada nama Kavit. Aduh, banyak banget deh ya. Makanya sekarang udah kebingungan kan. Tuh, itu baru sedikit. Nih, lihat tayangan berikutnya. Suara lagi. Yuk mari netizen kita dengarkan. Masa bilang itu bukan suaranya. Lucu kamu
You coward! Answer the phone! You can see that I'm calling, and I know you can see that I'm calling. Answer the fucking phone! You are a coward. Edwin is a coward. The only man was her father. The only man that can admit that she's a prostitute is her father, and now he's dead. How dare that fucking prostitute talk? Why you haven't cut her tongue? Where is her wali? Badi, by doing nothing, Allah will punish you. Do not think that what you're doing is right. You know the truth, yet you are silent. Allah will punish you. And before He punishes you, I will punish you on this earth. You just wait for me, Badi. You, Edwin, Rini, keep on helping that bitch. Keep on helping that.
Wah, voice note ini benar-benar menggemparkan jagat maya. Lalu bagaimanakah pihak Sajad Ukra menanggapi rekaman suara tersebut?